Alright, hi, this is Dylan and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Wednesday. The date is 12th of November. So we shall take a look. Starting off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what we are seeing here is that this is the 4-hourly chart. There is a major falling trend channel, as you can see. I plotted over here. Price has touches the bottom and is starting to rebound. And currently, with a Fibonacci retracement being plotted over here, we are seeing that price is kind of being resisted at the retracement level 23.6%, price of 1.2481. At the same time, also resisted by the 55 moving averages. Alright, so the only thing is that price has touched the bottom, but it has yet to really rebound enough. So this level itself might not be strong enough unless we are seeing a very strong bearish movement from here, but we are not. We are in fact seeing that price is slowly beginning to pull back, and therefore we are actually waiting for price to retrace even further. Okay, so within the falling trend channel itself, there is a falling trend line as well, as you can see over here. This is the falling trend line. So we are actually seeing price to retrace further till it touches the retracement level of 50%, or rather between 50% to the 61.8%, where the 200 moving averages coincide with. Then that might be a stronger stronger level to short this currency pair again. Alright, so right now I'll be just waiting. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Alright, zooming out into a 4-hourly chart, we can see that price has already broken above the falling trend channel once again, and it has even broken above the retracement level of 38.2%. So the very next level that we shall take a look at is when it touches the 200 moving average, or when it touches the retracement level of 61.8%. And so to give a number, you can wait for the price to retrace to 0.7880. Okay, so right, that is pretty much for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. If you were to plot a Fibonacci expansion from the bottom to the top over here, it may show you a exhaustion level slightly above the 61.8% as well. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. So this is the 4-hourly chart. You can see that there is a falling trend channel, alright, a major falling trend channel, and within that itself is a minor falling trend channel. And price has since touched the bottom, rebounded, alright, came down a little bit, and finally it broke above the minor falling trend channel over here. Right now we are seeing is that with a Fibonacci retracement, alright, price is currently being resisted at the 38.2 retracement level, 38.2%, with the 55 moving averages as well. So we might be expecting price to fall a little further, and as it touches the top of this previous minor falling trend channel, you might expect price to rebound even further. Alright, or if not, later on there will be a claimant count change, your average earning and the unemployment rate for the pound later at 5:30 PM plus 8 GMT. That news itself, or rather the data itself, may change the whole analysis over here. So just take note of the news at 5:30 PM. Alright, if not, I would be waiting for price to in fact retrace all the way back to the top of this major falling trend channel, alright, at the retracement level of 61.8%. But that news itself might be able to bring it even lower, because we got to take note that price has touched the top but has yet to fall all the way to the bottom of the trend channel yet. Okay, so that's for pound against the US dollar. And finally, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So the dollar against the Japanese yen, the price has appreciated once again, break above the 115.35 level. The price itself, basically it has made new high again. And zooming in into the 1 hourly chart, we are seeing is a very short consolidation, and price seems to be ready to rebound further as it got supported at the previous resistance, which is the previous high over here. Probably just shift a little bit at the price of 115.39. And yes, price might just retrace further from here. Zooming into 15 minutes chart. Alright, nothing much to see from here actually, but well, we'll be just waiting for a chance to long this pair again till we see a huge retracement over here. If not, we are not gonna chase against this trend anymore. So we just have to wait and wait for the opportunity. Okay, so next I would just like to touch on another two currency pair. One is the Australia against the US dollar. Pretty similar to the New Zealand against the US dollar. Price has broken above the a falling trend channel. Well, it is more clear in the 1 hourly chart. So broken above the top, right, came down, uses the top of the falling trend channel as a support, and it began to rebound. Right, back to the 4 hourly chart, it has broken above the retracement level of 30.2%. Right, and with a Fibonacci expansion to measure the retracement itself, it coincides with the retracement level of 61.8%. Alright, so just to wait for price to retrace further to the price of 0.8768, retracement level 61.8%, and the final exhaustion level itself at 161.8%. This could be a very strong resistance. At the same time, with the 200 moving averages coincide with, it could make a good trade. I guess so. So just to wait, just to wait for price to retrace. And finally, we will take a look at the pound against Australian dollar. Now this is a little bit tricky, is that in the day one chart there is actually a rising trend channel, but not the typical type of trend channel that you always see. There is actually a dip down somewhere here in between, but it came back to the channel. It starts to trade within it. So we are seeing that it is actually slowly appreciating against the pound is slowly appreciating against the Aussie. And right now is that this is the 4 hourly chart. With a Fibonacci retracement, we are seeing the price is currently resisted supported at 61.8% retracement level. There with the price of 1.8295. Magic candle is there, and oh yes, confirmation has just formed over here. So this is a very straight setup. Stochastic has suggested oversold as well. Alright, the only thing that does not agree with this trade is that price has yet to touch the bottom of this rising trend channel. Alright, so that is the only issue that we have. If not, everything is pointing towards the upside. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart. Alright, yep, that is all. So that's for the pound against Australian dollar. If you're gonna enter this trade, just to take note, the pound Aussie, this currency pair itself is very volatile. You have to place your stop loss pretty far. The overall stop loss risk will be pretty high, so just manage your lot size, manage a smaller lot size so that you can still manage your risk within your risk management rules. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.